In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord direct messages not working on Android. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or flaky connection can stop messages from sending or loading. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router, or on your phone, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the network. Next, update the Discord app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Discord, and tap Update if it's available. Outdated versions often have bugs that affect DMs. If updating doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall Discord from the Play Store. This refreshes the app files and often clears stubborn issues. You'll need to sign in again afterward. Make sure Discord has the permissions it needs. Long press the Discord app icon, tap App Info, then Permissions. Enable relevant permissions like storage and any others your device shows as required. Missing permissions can stop media from loading or block certain features. While you're in App Info, allow Discord to use data and run in the background. Tap mobile data and enable background data and unrestricted data usage. Then go to battery or battery optimization and set Discord to don't optimize. This prevents Android from pausing the app, which can delay DM notifications or message sync. Open Discord and check your in-app settings. Go to notifications and confirm that direct message notifications are enabled. Also check that specific DMs or servers aren't muted. Under Privacy and Safety, review the setting for Allow Direct Messages from Server Members. If that's off, you won't receive new DMs from people in shared servers. If messages still won't load, clear the app cache. On your phone, go to Settings, Apps, Discord, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the problem persists, you can tap Clear Data, but note this signs you out and resets app preferences. Sometimes your session gets stuck. Open Discord, tap your profile icon, scroll down, log out, then sign back in. This refresh often resolves syncing issues. A few other quick checks. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily, as VPNs can interfere with Discord connections. And check Discord's server status. If Discord is experiencing an outage, DMs won't work until it's resolved. Finally, be aware that occasional Android-specific bugs can cause messages to hang or buttons to become unresponsive. In those cases, an app update from Discord usually fixes it, so keep the app up to date and try again after updates roll out. Follow these steps in order, and your Discord DMs should be back to normal.